Introduction to JavaScript. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn what is JavaScript and how to use JavaScript. JavaScript is a client-side scripting language. That means JavaScript runs on a web browser. And the code statements of JavaScript should be put inside an HTML document. So first you have to create an HTML document in order to run JavaScript. Without an HTML document you cannot run JavaScript. What JavaScript is used for? In these days, JavaScript is very widely used in the internet to do very advanced things. You can use JavaScript to validate a web form, to insert contents dynamically, and also using JavaScript you can identify user's web browser and the version. This can be very handy when it comes to the older browsers. Some users are still using older browsers. For example, Internet Explorer 5. It does not support most of the current standards, so the developer can specifically target those users using JavaScript code. JavaScript is much more advanced than these things. In fact, these things were used in those days, but these days we can use JavaScript to create animations, to create interactive contents, and many other things. Okay, let's see how to use JavaScript. In order to use JavaScript and run JavaScript, you need a couple of basic tools. You need a web browser and a text editor. Both of these tools you can find on your computer. If you are a Mac user, you can use TextEdit and Safari. Or if you're using Windows, you can find Notepad and Internet Explorer. I prefer to use Firefox and Notepad++. This Notepad++ is an open source free software, also Firefox. So to download Notepad++, you have to go to Notepad++ website, like in this URL, and you have to download that. Very simple. Once you download the software, you can use that software. This is Notepad++. Okay, now let's go and create our first JavaScript program. I'm going to minimize this, and if you remember, I already told you we need HTML file, so I have already created this HTML document. This is a very simple HTML document. It contains nothing but few text. I'm going to minimize this, and we have to add our JavaScript code inside HTML tags. To do that, I right click, and I'm going to edit with Notepad++. Now you can see these are HTML tags. Within this HTML tag we have to embed our JavaScript tags. To do that, we have to create a script tag. I'm going to create within this head block. You can see this is the head block. In the head block, like this title, I'm going to create script. Script is the tag which tells the browser that we are going to write some script. Within this open and close script tag, you can write your first JavaScript statement. That is alert. Alert is a very simple JavaScript method to display a dialog box in the window. So this alert should be in all simple characters. After that alert, you have to open a parenthesis and open close quotes, and also you have to close the parenthesis. Within these codes you can write whatever you need. Let's write my first JavaScript. Right, this is the very simple JavaScript program. Now what you have to do is to save the file and minimize it. You go to the file, HTML document, right click, open in a browser. So once you open that, you can see it starts like this. So what happened to our first document when I clicked it before writing any JavaScript? It was like this. Now it is like this. That means once you click this once you click the OK button, it will show the text inside. So what happened there? In fact, when you write something within the head tag, those statements are run first. After that, all these HTML tags are run. So we have created our first JavaScript application.